Well, good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. 24-hour temperature cast starts kind of warm and muggy, way up in the 60s. Some spots closer to 70. And like yesterday, I think we're going to watch those numbers climb a bit up into the 80s. Maybe not all the way through the 80s unless we get a few breaks of sunshine. Now, if we do get a few breaks of sunshine, that could destabilize things a little bit more to fire up a couple of bigger thunderstorms this afternoon. And it looks like we're going to do it all over again tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow a better chance to find some more widespread showers with that next bigger piece of energy scheduled to get here. We take a look at the big picture satellite radar composite. We see some of those green shaded areas from parts of coastal Mississippi and Louisiana. It's where they've been getting a whole bunch of rain. Most of it has been staying on western parts of the Florida Panhandle through Alabama, Mississippi, and Louisiana. We'll see if some more of these showers can find more of our area, although our coastal sections got plenty yesterday afternoon. And that threat for a few stronger thunderstorms is still there today, tonight, and tomorrow, and that marginal risk, which means we're not expecting it, but I can't rule it out. So we'll certainly keep our eyes peeled for anything that could turn a little bit more dangerous this afternoon. It's 65 degrees right now in Valdosta, 67 in Tallahassee. We're starting off at 68 degrees in Thomasville. If there's a bit of a breeze, it's going to try and be more from the south and even southwest today. We could like a little bit of a breeze to stir things up. Otherwise, that fog could get a little bit thicker. Most numbers between 65 and 70. Albany's the warm spot right now at 71. So there's that lack of breeze, and here's what it's doing. A couple of spots like Moultrie, like Perry down to 7 miles, Homerville down to 3 miles with the visibility, so some patchy fog, but nothing we can't handle. We're going to continue to bring in that warm and humid air throughout the day. We're going to continue to have more clouds throughout the day, and we stay unsettled with this boundary draped across the southeast. And as energy gets closer, that's when we get our best chances to get wet. Tomorrow is when we expect to have that best piece of energy to give us the biggest chances for the most rain. Now, as we get to Thursday, the boundary itself could get nudged just far enough to the south, and that could start to remove some of those rain chances, especially as the day goes on. So I think we have this for Tuesday, we have it for Wednesday, and we probably start out with all the same on Thursday, but there should be improvement in the forecast throughout the day on Thursday. Here's a look at the futurecast that gets us to about lunchtime tomorrow, and then we see a little better chance for some more showers spread out across the region. I do think we can find and will find some scattered showers today, but it's not and everybody gets wet. It's going to be a lot of waiting and expecting to get wet and never really finding any showers. Tomorrow, better chances for a little bit more persistent showers, and those might even linger into the early part of Thursday before we start to scour all that away. And then it does look awfully nice heading into Friday and the upcoming weekend. Winds on the Gulf out of the south and southwest 5 to 15. Seas, they'll run 1 to 3 feet. What about those tide times? Looks like we're going to wrap up the high tides just after 6 and start the lows again after 8. 60s and 70s, muggy. Sun will be up at 6:46. I don't expect to see a lot of sunshine, but we can get some glimmers and breaks in that cloud cover. We'll put the rain chances like 40–50% in the top temperatures, middle to upper 80s today. It'll be warm, it'll be muggy. It all depends on the showers, though. They can cool things down. More 60s overnight tonight, and some spots stay up near 70. The better rain chances are going to be during the day tomorrow night, and into early parts of Thursday. With a little bit of luck, we start to clear up, and that air will be a little cooler and a bunch drier heading into Friday. So notice those daytime temperatures might even stay in the 70s in some spots Thursday and Friday. Also notice the morning temperatures way back down in the 50s, guys. More of the good stuff to start next weekend.
Now.